This video is being brought to you by the Canon EOS M50, and this right here is the Powerextra 2-pack replacement batteries for the Canon M50, along with the smart LCD display dual USB charger. So this is kind of like a two birds with one stone video, because this is my first time filming with the Canon M50, and it does look pretty good. Like, I know this camera is capable of filming in 4K, but it's not right now. It's just filming in regular K, so 1080p. And in my research on this camera prior to buying it, I did see a number of reviews that stated that in comparison to the Canon G7X Mark II and the G7X Mark III, the Canon M50 does not perform as well as those two in low light situations. Now, this isn't the best lighting. Like, this is just sitting on a table underneath a ceiling fan with lights, so it's not like studio lighting, but it looks pretty good, so I am not mad at it. I did also read that the on-camera microphone's pretty good. So right now I'm not using an external microphone. This is just the regular schmegular degular microphone that comes with him, and we'll see how that goes. Now, this is the actual reason for the video, the Powerextra Backup batteries. So this camera's battery life is supposed to give you 120 minutes of video under normal settings, or 235 shots under normal settings. A number of the reviews that I read recommended getting backup batteries, so I did go ahead and get some in this 2-pack. It has the little LCD screen that tells you, the charging level. So this one is completely charged. This one isn't. The shinier battery is the one that came with the Canon M50, and he was completely dead. And then this one was what came with this little kit. It charges with a micro USB. It's on Amazon for $19.99. And it has 185 reviews and 4.5 stars. It comes with 2 cords, so it has the micro USB on one end and then the USB on the other. And right now it's plugged into my MacBook. And then it has this one here that you can also plug into like your computer if you wanted to. It's shorter. So it did not come with a charging brick, and that was like the only thing that I wish it came with. Like, I don't know what's going on in the world these days between all the stuff going on, but it's like nobody includes the actual charging block with their things that need to be attached to a charging block. But I guess like a lot of people have those outlets that have like the little USB port, and then if you're like at an airport, they have charging stations where you can just plug in your USB port. So maybe that's a philosophy behind it. I don't know. Luckily, every time you upgrade your phone, you have some, so I have extras laying around, so I'm really not too concerned with that. And it came with this cute little card that said thank you, and I'll open it up so you can see like who the people are if you're interested in purchasing this. I've had one of the batteries in this camera all day and it's still fully charged, so I'm not mad at the battery life with this thing. So they also sent this cute little lens cloth with their company logo along with a little thank you card, and then this cord and the 2 batteries is what came in this little box here. So these batteries obviously work for the Canon M50, but they also work for the Rebel SL1, EOS M, EOS M2, EOS M10, and EOS M100 mirrorless cameras. So definitely, if you need backup batteries, it wasn't bad. Like 2 batteries for $20 and a charging station. Not mad at it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and share if you care.